Behind every fearless road trip is tremendous planning, route recce's, safety checks, and a dream. Today I'm catching up with the minds behind the Bold Route series to uncover what really drives this journey and many more to come.
What factors determine the route selection?
Distance and the road conditions.
So, how is road safety ensured for participants?
Extremely strict briefing at the beginning of the trip as well as every day morning. We ensure that ground rules are set, ensuring safe distance, ensuring seat belts for all participants, ensuring that there is a lead car and there's a support car, and there are other support cars through the convoy to take care of contingencies if any. But the primary focus is on participants following the rules.
Brand partnerships important क्यों है?
क्योंकि ब्रांड से वैल्यूज़ बढ़ता है और मेरे हिसाब से लोगों को भी कंफर्ट होता है उससे और हमारी कंपनी की वैल्यूज़ बढ़ती है.
What are the biggest challenges women face in long distance driving?
I think the biggest challenge is clean and safe washroom breaks. I think we recce our route thoroughly and plan our pit stops well in advance, and I think that makes it easy.
So, what are the factors for accommodation and pit stops?
Access, parking, specifically on this trip, parking was a huge factor with 25 cars. Access, easy access in and out. But the most important part was cleanliness and safety.
How is adventure balanced with luxury?
So, two parts to it. One is if the terrain is adventurous and extremely rustic, something like a Mongolia, we make sure the services are luxury. For example, on a terrain like that, we will have a chef and a kitchen car along with us. Every single accommodation and tent that we put up is very self-sufficient, ensure that the basic safety and comfort is taken care of. Very exclusive private services are offered to make sure the journeys are comfortable. So that's one part of it. Where the route itself is luxurious, of course, we offer the best of accommodations, the best of private experiences, like in New Zealand, the wine experiences, the boat experiences or the ferry experiences are very exclusive for our groups. So that's how we balance both luxury as well as.
So, how is camaraderie built amongst participants?
I think these trips are extremely unique because they are exclusive. People get to spend a lot of time with each other. Participants get to spend a lot of time with each other. They are also, in a way, fantastic equalizers, right? Everybody is on a level playing field irrespective of what background you come from, and that's how we would like to keep it.